The Numbers Game by Dr. Marco Bitetto. Unfortunately, our public school system teaches all of its students to become mathphobic at a very early state in the education process. Consequently, the way to overcome this early mathphobia is to create mathematically based games that cause the childhood players to develop mental mathematical skills quite easily. The very first of these mathematical games that we shall discuss is the card game of 21. In this card game, the player's goal is to get a numerical card face count as close to 21 as possible. As a result, it teaches the student to develop and successfully account for card face counts of 21 or close to that. The next of these mathematical games is 500 Mummy. In this mathematical card game, the players must be able to multiply, add and subtract the values of all the cards in the game to keep the score of the players in the game. The next of these mathematically related activities is very enjoyable by children, and it concerns the learning and playing of sheet music, where the children playing the music learn to adapt fractions of notes for the music being played. Another mathematically related activity that can be turned into a game is the bookkeeping of a business or household expenses. This activity will require the student to add, subtract, multiply, divide and take percentages of values in a tabular format. The very next mathematically and logically based game is none other than chess itself. In this game, the players must use logical rules to win the game, and each captured piece has a numerical value that must be calculated to determine the point count winner of the game. This game also teaches the student to think strategically. In the very last example of a mathematically based tool that can be used to develop a mathematical game for higher level mathematics, we can use the maximum mathematical programming language to illustrate abstract mathematical concepts to the student in a graphic form. All of the previously discussed tools and methods can be used to aid the student in all areas of their educational process.